Now the main tool we're going to focus on this week is the reciprocating saw. Now this is a multi-purpose tool that can cut just about anything that you can imagine. It comes with a wide variety of blades and is especially good at demolition work. Now let's throw away the hacksaw and see what this baby can do. This saw from Hitachi is pretty much the latest in the evolution of this type of tool. This little baby can cut through a multitude of materials. As well as the blade going in and out, it also has an orbital action, which is great when cutting timber. Not for finish work, but the go-to tool when you've got some demo work to do. Now for some extreme examples of what this puppy can do. How's that? Now that is what I call a ute. Now as well as the bells and whistles corded version, Hitachi also make an 18-volt cordless version, lithium-ion powered. Great for when you've got to crawl through a roof space or under a house. Lithium-ion batteries are a revolution in battery technology. Not only are they lighter in weight, weighing in at about the same as an old school 12-volter, but they maintain their charge for 12 months or more. There are about 10 tools at the moment that run on this platform: drills, rotary hammers, circular saws, grinders, jigsaws, blowers and a few others. Now what we have here is Hitachi's 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. Now Hitachi invented this type of tool and they are still at the forefront of its development. Some of the features that it has is a digital readout for the miter as well as bevel. It also has a laser cut line that you can adjust to either side of the curve. Now let's have a look and see how she cuts, eh? Like butter.